Is it possible to register Telegram account with email? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video, we will see if it is possible to register Telegram account with email or not. So to find out that, let's get started. First of all, launch the Telegram application in your mobile device. If you don't have the application yet, you can install it from the Google Play Store or App Store. After you open up the Telegram application, you will land on this kind of interface where you have to enter your mobile number with your country. That means Telegram does not allow account registration using an email address. You must use a phone number to create an account. So I hope you got your answer, but however, after registering, you can add an email for the password recovery and two-step verification. So there is no any other way to create or to use Telegram account without a phone number. So you must use phone number in order to register for the account, not the email address. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.